beautiful. That's how mercy saw me.
Hi there, my name is Johnson. Today a client has called me and they want to actually rent a property. The property is somewhere around there or there, this side maybe, okay, somewhere around there, that area. It is on the first floor. So the owner or the agent want to actually rent this place out, and it is on the first floor. So we're gonna do a shooting, and I'm gonna show you how the process of doing this 360 shooting by using mobile phone. And this process that I'm going to show you step by step how you should to go about to do all the shooting. Okay, whenever you go to this kind of houses, you must always wear your mask because of COVID. Real estate agent having trouble, and that's why we are doing this virtual tour, so that the client will be able to see before they come and do a visit for the final time. So please wear your mask properly, and I'm gonna go and get my gear.
He loves you too much.
Your stand is a very important tool that you must have. So we have reached to the house, and the client has actually given me, the owner has given me the key, so I'm going to use the key to open it. And because of the COVID, many people don't want to visit the home. So 360 virtual tour is one of the way. 360 virtual tour will be the future. So here we in Virtualtourcreator.my, we have created the best way for the real estate agent to make, even for a budget property. This is a budget property with 2 rooms, 1 bath and hall, and there's a very interesting balcony here, very huge balcony that is going to be a selling point. So I have the key. I'm going to open. This property, they have 2 entrances. One of the entrance is here, which is going to be the main entrance. And interestingly, this particular house, the owner has actually sublet one part of it to another tenant. Now this door here belongs to a sublet tenant. So the balcony is one of the selling point for this owner. So I'm going to do few shots, and before I do the shots, let me bring you in. Now shoe is one of the things when you do 360 photography people forget. So if possible, please hide the shoes. As you see, when we go into a house, the amount of light in the house is lesser than outside. In photography, this is one of the very important things you need to look at it, 360, because when you capture the 360 light intensity, we call it EV. Now the EV outside is high, inside is low. So possibly when you enter into any house, please on the lights. We need to have enough of lights in the house. So just on the lights, but don't on the fan. Okay, make the fan stationary. If it is moving, just wait until it's